why your website is lagging behind. You're not getting sales, you're not getting visitors, you're not getting on in front of the Google page. So one of the mistakes that business owners and entrepreneurs are doing, they are using AI to create their website. I'm not saying that you cannot use AI to create your website, but no, guys, if you have a shop on your website, or if you are creating blogs on your website, or you want visitors to keep visiting your website, please do not use AI to generate content that you are going to use on your website. The reason is why there is what we call ethics of AI, and when you generate content to be placed on your website using ChatGPT or Gemini, is going actually to affect your search engine optimization. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is the one that make your content to be in front of Google, like on the first page or second page, for the users to be able to access your website. So when someone is searching for something on Google, they should come to your website and be able to get what they want to do. So let me say restaurant. I want to search restaurant near me. So I suppose that you're going to see this website that is here, like the first website. Actually, this one is sponsored, so let's just ignore the sponsored result, because this one, it means that they have paid to be able to be here in front of Google. So let's check these results so let's just check these results that are here organically. So you can see restaurant near me. You can see this is restaurant in Cape Town.co.za. That is a website, the 20 best restaurant in Cape Town. This is insideguide.co.za. So this is another website. So you can see that these websites are actually in the first page of Google, and this one is advertising a lot of restaurants that are in Cape Town that you can just go and select, and they have a lot of pages. So whatever restaurant that you are actually interested in, you can just come here and read about their features, the menus, and everything that they offer. So what I'm saying, AI is actually ruining your visibility on Google. AI content are not supported by Google optimization. So the algorithms are not picking up AI content. So if you want your website to be viewed in front of on the first page of Google, please just generate your content from either your documentations, your knowledge, like what you have created over the years, and you want to create a website that can be viewed by website visitors or users, or Google users, YouTube users. So just make sure your content are organically generated and is going to contact Google organically to be able to place your website in front of the users, the correct users. So why you are still using AI? You copy and paste that content without even humanizing it into your website. Is killing your client visibilities, is killing your organic viewers. So please, this is the mistake that entrepreneurs, graphic designers, and freelancers are making. They just go to ChatGPT, copy, paste on the website, and you wonder why you're not getting clients. So please don't do that. So what you can do instead, just type whatever content that comes into your mind. If you are owning a restaurant and you want someone to create your website for the restaurant, just create everything from your head on a Word document and give that Word document to your web designer, and tell your web designer to be able to use the same content that you have given to them. Or if you're gonna use AI, I'm not against AI, but you should just use AI as idea generation, but don't copy the same thing that ChatGPT has given to you and then you put it on your website. So it's going to affect your search engine organically. So please do that and you will see visibilities start coming onto your website. Thank you so much. That was just a short video. If you are excited about what is coming to this channel, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to create a new website, do not forget to subscribe. And I will link a hosting link in my description, so that once I start creating website step by step as a beginner, you are able to follow up. Thank you and bye for now. Cheers.